14% of London's population is declared disabled. If we look at this number, that doesn't include anyone who doesn't declare themselves as disabled. So anyone with even light visual impairments, like I need to wear glasses and I forgot to wear them, could actually increase the number. If we think about each and every one of us in different situations of our day, but also in different situations of our life, we can see how the city's population age does have a direct impact on growing the number. That's where features like dynamic type, larger text, and screen zoom do really bring in a difference in the everyday life of people. Very often we have encountered within our user research users that had these OS systems features turned on by default without even knowing that they had them. That's why we have decided to pay lots of attention on how we design layouts and how we space content within layouts in order to allow as much as possible for dynamic type, larger font, and screen zoom to operate as seamlessly as possible within the TFLGO application. Layout and content very closely in order to ensure that the app is as flexible as possible while operating with these OS systems enabled, has been a very interesting process and has really pushed our design team to stress test each design and each solution in very extreme layouts. Dynamic type on buses is another very important features for people with visual impairments, but also for aging population or just people that forget glasses. And we have discovered that lots of people have dynamic type enabled or large fonts or screen zoom enabled as a default on their phone without even remembering that they do have it.
TFLGO. Directions. Where to? Button. Tap to search for a destination. Directions. Where to? Bus stops. Near you. Button. Status. Disruption famous link. Button. Tap for details. Location services turned off. Step free mode off. Submenu. Button. Submenu. Step. Location. Status. Disruption famous link. Button. Tap for bus stops near you. Button. Tap to browse nearby stops. Directions. Where to? Button. Tap search field is editing. Insertion point at start. Use the rotor to access misspelled words. London Bridge. Options for London Bridge. Close. Show on. View live. Get directions. Alert. Location services are off. Choose a different start point. Button. Where from? Button. Tap to change. Search field is editing. Insertion point at start. Queen of Hoxton. Selected. Journey preferences. Button. Close. Button. From Queen of Hoxton. Button. Swap turn from. To London Bridge. Button. Tap to change. Leaving now. Button. Refresh journey results. Button. If you can, walk or cycle this route. Walk, 30 minutes, button. Cycle, 10 minutes, button. Fastest. Direct, walk 18 minutes then Northern Line, 21 minutes, button. Step free access from steep to train. Bus only, direct, bus, 25 minutes, button. Step free, 25 minutes, arrive at 17:38. Queen of Hoxton, Curtain Road, London. 4-minute walk, button. To Commercial Street / Worship Street, stop D, bus 149, 6 stops. Show 6 stops, button. Hide 6 stops. Primrose Street. Primrose Street. Wormwood Street. Fenchurch Street. Monument. To London Bridge. 2-minute walk, button. To London Bridge,